Rav Ya'avod Tza'ir. Yaakov Avinu says at the end of the parsha, Ani Esav Bechorecho. How was he able to do so? Yaakov Ish Emes. Eicho Timtze, the two brothers, the twins, Esav and Yaakov. Esav is born first and Yaakov second. By the BarMitzva, Yaakov becomes BarMitzva first and Esav a month later. How is that possible? There is a Shono Meuberes and there is a Shono Peshuto. A Shono Meuberes has two Adars, Adar Rishon and Adar Sheni. A Shono Peshuto has only one Adar. There are two types of year. A Shono Peshuto that has one Adar and a Shono Meuberes that has double Adar. Adar Rishon and Adar Sheni. If Esav is born on the 30th day of Adar Rishon, and Yaakov is born at the beginning of the night of Adar Sheni, few minutes apart, what happens? Esav was born first, but Yaakov is born on Adar Sheni. When they become Bar Mitzvah, and they only have one Adar, Shona Pshuto, Yaakov becomes Bar Mitzvah at the beginning of the Chodesh, and Esav becomes Bar Mitzvah at the end of the Chodesh, at the beginning of Chodesh Nisan. And there's one day on the Poskim, the Hilchos Ktanas, that even if the year of the Bar Mitzvah is a Shona Meuberes, we don't look at Adar Rishon at all. And Esav does not become Bar Mitzvah in the first month. That's the shita from Rav Yaakov Chagiz, the Baal Hilchos Ktanas. But that's for sure. In a Shono Peshuto, the Bar Mitzvah, Yaakov is before, even though he was born later. And Rav Yaakov Chagiz wants to say, is Yitochen that Yaakov was born Rosh Chodesh Adar, and Esav was born Lamed Adar Rishon. Yaakov and Esav, they were both born on Adar. Esav at the end of Adar Rishon, and Yaakov at the beginning of Adar Sheni. When they became Bar Mitzvah, it was a Shono Pshuto. Yaakov became Bar Mitzvah Rosh Chodesh Adar, and Esav became Bar Mitzvah in Rosh Chodesh Nisan, which is Lamed Adar Rishon. Now we have a question. The Torah says, Kaved es avicho es lerabos achicho hagodol. Who is the older brother? Esav that was born before, or Yaakov that became Bar Mitzvah first? The same thing is by Yibum and Chalitza. There's a mitzvah begodol shebe'achim, the oldest brother. Is Rab Yaakov Chagiz Paskins that Yaakov is the older brother, Sai legabe Kovod, Sai legabe Yibum Chalitza, and Sai legabe becoming Bar Mitzvah. But Rab Yaakov Reisher in Shvus Yaakov asked a very strong question. According to Rabbi Yaakov Chagiz, every single year, which is a Shona Meuberes, is going to be the other way. Yaakov becomes the young one, and Esav is going to become the older one. So in that year, you're going to change the halacha? Doesn't make sense. Therefore, he argues with Rabbi Yaakov Chagiz legabe kovot, yibum, and chalitza. La halacha, what do? Is the Orach Laner in his Shashan Shuvas Binyan Tzion says tzorich iyun. He's not sure. Is Rabbi Yaakov Chagiz wants to say that if they become bar mitzvah nashonu meuberes, we don't look at all at Adar Rishon. Now we have Adar Sheni. So even though he was born in Adar Rishon Skemandeles is not here. The Iker is Adar Sheni. That's his chidush. But the Cholkim, the Taine, if there's Adar Rishon, the one who was born on Adar Rishon becomes bar mitzvah on Adar Rishon. And Adar Rishon is the Iker. That's the shita from the Rosh Poskim. According to Hilchos Ketanas, Yaakov and Esau were born in Ashon Meuberes. And they became bar mitzvah, let's say, in Ashon Meuberes. He holds still that Yaakov is the Bechor. And the Rosh Poskim argue with that. We can say b'derech drush, Yaakov bought the Bechorah from Esau. He didn't buy the Bechorah. How could he buy the Bechorah? He bought the Deya from the Poskim who hold that in Ashon Meuberes, Esau becomes bar mitzvah on Adar Rishon. But Rabbi Yaakov Chagiz holds no. In Ashon Meuberes, Adar Rishon is nothing. Adar Rishon is the Iker. That's why he told Yitzchok, Anoichi Esau Bechorecho. I bought the Bechorah, I passed like Rabbi Yaakov Chagiz, and even Esau sold me his Bechorah.